Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. My name is Samantha.
And I'm Eddie.
And today we're making heart-shaped enchiladas. So this is not a Disney-inspired dish, but we were watching a Valentine's episode of Bob's Burgers, and Tina went to a restaurant with a boy, and they had heart-shaped enchiladas.
They're having heart-shaped enchiladas?
And we were both like, gosh, that sounds really good. So we're gonna try to make those today for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll post the recipe down below. This is the spicy part of my spicy and sweet Valentine's Day videos. I will also link the sweet video down below. Let's get started. So typically enchiladas, right? They're like rolled up tacos with the sauce and the cheese. We're gonna do it kind of like lasagna style enchilada. We're gonna build them in these little heart-shaped springform pans. And we're cutting a couple corners today. I did not make chicken from scratch. I bought chicken from Costco, a rotisserie chicken, and shredded it up. And I'm gonna put it in the pan here with some enchilada sauce and some cheese. And then I'm just gonna like season it up a little bit. I don't usually use measurements for this. I just kind of eyeball it, toss it all in there until it tastes how I want it to taste. So I'm doing like 2 cups chicken. And like about a cup enchilada sauce. Just season it up. I don't like fresh onions, but I like a little bit of onion powder. Gonna be spicy.
This is where you can put in Homer Simpson. Go!
No! They're gonna be really spicy, sorry. I'm gonna put in some cheese. Not a ton, but like a little bit. And just mix that up, get it nice and melty. Doesn't need to be like, obviously the chicken's already cooked, so I just like to heat it up before I pop it in the oven. What do we think, Ed? That looks pretty good.
Looks delicious.
You wanna try a little bit?
We.
Mmm. Good? Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
Is it really hot?
No.
Oh, okay, good.
That's good.
Good. So we will set this aside and we'll start getting our tortillas ready.
Yes.
So I don't have a heart-shaped cookie cutter. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the base part of the springform and I'm gonna take a knife and like trace it onto a tortilla, and then we're gonna cut it that way and then layer everything in the pan. I gotta make sure they fit.
They do kind of look like the Reese's hearts, where it's not really look like a heart. Looks like a long thing.
Okay.
No, those look like hearts.
They look better now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm gonna try it using this way. Maybe this will be easier. Oh yeah. Much better little hearts, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
very
those look
much.
better. Okay. Cool. Well, lesson learned. Microwave them and something like this instead. We're having sample time with the leftover tortillas. Mini enchiladas. What do we think, honey? Good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, so I've got oven at 350, and we are gonna like cooking spray these guys and then start layering inside for our enchiladas. Yay! So gonna do tortilla first. And I'll spoon like a little bit of sauce. Just a little bit. And then we'll put some of our filling in there. And what do you think? We put more cheese on top?
Yes.
Okay. And put a little bit of cheese on top of there. Cheesy, cheesy. Out of the pans. And they look pretty good, and we're gonna garnish them up, and we're gonna have a little taste test here. All right, Edster's gonna garnish his up. And he's going in with the guacamole first and foremost. Oh, smeared it on the top. I like his technique there. And we're going with a little bit of sour cream on there. Oh my, he's making a nice little sandwich over there. And we got some salsa on there. Oh yes, and he's gonna put some red salsa on there. Bam. Gonna put more cheese. Oh, and of course, gotta top it with more cheese. Oh, the whole bag. Wow. That's the way to do it.
Leave just a little bit left for it.
Thank you. So I already put some guacamole on there. I'm gonna do everything on the side. Eddie likes to like top his up.
On top.
I'm a dipper. I like to dip. And yeah, we'll do sour cream. And I think that's good. That looks pretty good. Ready to go eat them?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right. Eddie's going in with the first bite. Oh my. Oh, he's got chips on there. He's added some extra garnish, folks.
Mmm.
Yeah, good stuff.
Really good.
Nice Valentine's Day meal for us?
Very good. Yes.
Excellent. Wonderful. All right, my turn now, I think. Oh, wait, no, you finished your bite. Sorry, forgive me.
I finished.
No, you have another bite. Eat it.
All right, let's see.
Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'll put a little sour cream on top and a little guacamole. Alright. Mmm. Oh yeah, these are really good. Yes, these turned out really good, honey.
Yes.
You like them?
Love them.
Oh yeah, me too. This is our recreation of Bob's Burgers heart-shaped enchiladas. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Leave us a note in the comments letting us know what your Valentine's dinner plans are. Thank you so much for watching. Have a magical day. Don't forget to check out our sweet video recipe. I'm going to link that down below as well. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.